In this video we describe how you can learn to regenerate old batteries. So you can fix, regenerate, charge, recondition and reuse them. This method is easy to follow. It's a step-by-step system with just simple supplies you probably already have in your home. The program is made up of detailed guides that show you how to recondition each type of battery. Each guide is full of easy-to-follow diagrams so you not only read exactly what to do, you see exactly what to do as well. It's like having someone standing there with you, guiding you every step of the way as you recondition your old batteries. And it does not matter if you're not technical or don't know the first thing about batteries, because the program is so easy to follow, absolutely anybody can use it. Here is exactly what we will teach you. Watch.
If you use batteries, you're going to want to hear this, because there's a new, dead simple trick that anyone can use to bring nearly any type of dead battery back to life again. Once you learn this, you'll pretty much never have to buy new batteries again, and you'll save thousands of dollars on the cost of batteries over your lifetime. It's easy to do, and if you click the link below, you can learn more. So if you're ready to learn how to bring any type of dead battery back to life again, so you can stop buying new overpriced batteries and save money on batteries the rest of your life, click the link below now.
Watch the full video using the link below to see just how simple this is.